Hello, everybody, and welcome to our little session on effective searching using databases. I'm Miss Trish. I'm here to help you guys as you start this unit about the United States in World War II. So today I want to start by talking about what a database is. Do you know what they are? Do you use them? Should you care? Those are all really good questions. And so let's talk about what a database is. A database really essentially is a collection of information. And in our case, these are electronic records, right? The database is made up of information that is assembled so that it's organized in specific ways and it is searchable. So users can access the records or the files, right, through the information in a way that the database is organized around. So one of the things that we'll talk about is why this matters, right? So do you use databases already? I want you to talk to each other to see if you can figure out if you actually use any of these databases maybe without even thinking about it, you've been using them. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is to kind of see what other students have said in the discussion, right? Some of you notice that your web browsers seem like they work like databases, right? They go out and say the World Wide Web is a database, and Google and Safari and other browsers help you find information in it. Also, some of you said ManageBack, which is the system that teachers and students use. Teachers use it to put in everything from units of inquiry to individual assignments and resources and your grades, and you use that to access all of your information as well. The library catalog, which I know that you use, and today we're going to hopefully teach you how to use it a little bit more efficiently. And then JSTOR, Britannica, and EBSCO host. Hopefully you already knew that and you already use those, so we're going to find out more effective ways for you to search today. We know we've talked about search strategies before as part of the Big Six. It's one of those steps. And so I want you to kind of put this in that framework. We're going to look at similarities and differences between two databases today. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for browsing as well as for deep dives into the information. Right now you are in the browsing stage of your assignment. So you're looking for topics, and there is a way to search that is good for that. We're going to focus on two databases that you have access to, both Destiny, which is our library catalog, and Academic Search Complete, which is one of the more sophisticated databases you have access to. So before we get started with Destiny, we're going to go and look at a live session there, and I'm going to walk you through that. But I did want just to remind you of what the interface looks like. When you go into the catalog to do a search, this is what usually pops up, and we see here that we can search. They make it really easy to see. You can search by keyword, title, author, and subject. Today we're going to focus on keyword and subject because those are most useful for browsing, right? We're in a basic search here. As you can see, it's highlighted up there in orange. This is going to give you the broadest, the biggest list of results. Keyword search and subject search work a little bit differently. If you do a keyword search, it is going to bring back any record in the database that has the word you enter into the search box in the record anywhere, okay, in the searchable fields. I don't want to get too technical with you, but if you do a subject search, that is a little bit different. The subjects are specific fields in the records um, that deal with the designated subjects. So we, as librarians, manipulate those, and they use basically authorized words um, that are used in libraries around the world. So that is a little bit more specific, and you're going to see some different results in those. Then we're going to look at the advanced search. The advanced search in Destiny is called a power search. They went a little bit special there. In most of the other databases, you're going to see advanced search, but no, that's what this is. We're going to look at a couple of different ways that you can structure your search using some different variables. We're going to look at these and or not, known as the Boolean operators, and what those do to your search and how they affect your results. We're going to look at other what we call limiters, ways to limit your results to your specific needs, right? To reduce irrelevant results. And we're going to look at the help function. And in Destiny, that is this, how do I do something? And you'll see the little blue question mark. This is a little bit small, so I want you to pay attention to where that is, because when you get in and search, if something weird starts to happen or you're not really sure you remember exactly how to do something and the librarians are busy and your teacher is busy, or if you're doing this at home, this is a logical place for you to look so you can move forward in your research and not lose time. Okay, so now we are going to go to Destiny.